Good evening, welcome, and let us try and see how we can follow this tutorial and see. The question is 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 0. How do we solve this? This is indices. Let's see. Let 3 to the power of 2x cross the equal sign, then we are going to have 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Right? Good. Let's separate this. We separate this, then we're going to have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 1, which is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. All right. Let us divide by this 2 to the power of x because we have 3 to the power of 2x on this side. We divide by that, then we're going to have 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of x. Now let's see this, very interesting here. 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of x. You see this x and this x are common here. So you can factor it out and it becomes a power here. The law of powers, that is what it says. So 3 to the power of 2 over 2, and the power of everything is x. That is right. So we come back to our question. Now I have 2 to the power of this, and we factor out x, so that x goes to the power section. Then we have 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 1 raised to x, and that is now 3 to the power of 2 is 9 over 2. Good. We proceed. We still proceed with that. Then we're going to have 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. This one raised to x. 4.5 raised to x. Here we cannot do anything without natural logarithms. Now we introduce logs in this particular case so that we work it out. So 2 is equal to 4.5 to the power of x. Then we introduce logs. We have log of 2. Remember, it's a base of 10. Is equal to the log of 4.5 to the power of x. When that is the case, then this x drops to this, becomes x log of 4.5 is equal to log of 2. To get x, because that is what we're interested in, then we divide by the log of 4.5, divide by the log of 4.5. When you divide by that, very interesting, you're going to end up with what? We're going to end up with x is equal to 0.468. Very interesting. Good. Try several and see.